Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. My name is Samir and I am from Kenya. So I know those of you who do not know me, I am an affiliate marketer, a full-time entrepreneur, and I make money online. I earn online. I treat this as a business and I want to show you exactly what I do, okay? I know that you might have gone through several courses and several advices, and you've been told different things, and most of them must be very complicated. Now guys, I want to tell you something. If you have not earned your first dollar online, then I want to change that for you today, okay? And selflessly I want to actually help you, okay, so that you are able to earn money. Now, I have been able to help several students. You can go and look at my Facebook profiles and all that. Testimonials will be there. You'll be able to see. And many of my YouTube videos and all that in this channel, if you're watching it on YouTube. Otherwise, you can go and watch it on my YouTube channel, or if you're watching it from my Facebook group or on email, then the links are below. You can always go and check out stuff. So guys, I want to show you, okay, in the last 7 days I have made $585. How much did I spend to make this much money? Okay, now this is for quite some time. Uneasy commissions, we started with Osman Murabi sometimes in April last year, and we have made quite some money, but the system was not as good as it is right now, and that's why we are really focusing on it, okay? You have been seeing my emails about uneasy commission, and this is what I want to show you, what the system can do for you. Besides that, I want to show you how you can make money even if you don't want to use the system, because I really don't want to force you into using this system. I want to give you an option, okay? I want to give you an option so that you are able to sustainably earn money online from today. So I want to explain to you what happened here. So as you can see, $585 is what I have got in the last 7 days, updated on 13th March. That was yesterday. Hopefully this money will be paid to my account or to Osman's account by tomorrow. That's Friday. So that's good. So what did we do? First of all, I want to also show you that in the last 7 days, this is our campaign which we are running. We have added 214 subscribers. Guys, if you received my email, it means that you are my subscriber. That's why you received my email, and that's why you're watching this video. And I want to show you how this whole thing happened. I spent $82 last 7 days. As you can see, last 7 days in my Google AdSense, I have spent $82 for this particular campaign. So that's what is happening, guys. That's what is happening, and these are make money online stuff. So out of the $82, we made 214 subscribers. Now, not all came from paid traffic. We use several methods of free traffic also, and which I will be training you. I don't have the whole day training you today, but I will show you how I can be training you. If you keep up with me till the end of this video, I will actually show you exactly how I will be training you. And guys, don't worry, I'm not pitching you. I don't want your money. As you can see, I'm already making money for myself. So I don't want you to give me money, but I want to show you how money is made. So guys, what happens here? We send you as a visitor, okay, or anybody, to a squeeze page, where that squeeze page will give them some incentive. Join for a reason, for a notebook, for a method, for a video like this, that kind of thing. And then once somebody submits the email, then it goes to this autoresponder. Okay, it goes to this autoresponder. So when it is on the autoresponder, this person immediately after they sign up, they go into an offer. Now in my case, I'm using EEC, and if you've joined through me, then you've seen that you get that submission form, you create an account. Now let me shock you guys. Okay, once you create that account, I already make $1 per person who is in the US, UK, the top tier countries, and this is targeted to US only. Okay, as Google, I'm targeting US only. So I get $1 per person who submits their email, they create their account. As simple as that. Then what happens next? The next thing is they go through the system. When they go through this system, they are told how to get started, how to earn the first dollar, and how to maximize their earning. So all this is training, which if you have already created an account, you would have gone through. Then here they will be shown how they can maximize their earnings. Now, if you watch this video, and it's free, I would really want you to join and see this, because 22 minutes I don't have to take you through. But what happens here is this system is telling you how many income streams they are providing if you become a VIP. Now what happens is you pay $700, $750 and become a VIP, like the way I did. Okay, I became a VIP. Now, out of the 85 people who joined during the week, okay, one person subscribed to become a VIP. So I earned $500 extra for that person. So that's how I've earned $500. Now, that's not the only income. When you go and take this 30 days action plan, these guys will tell you what you will need. Like for example, an autoresponder, a funnel builder, like the page builder, like the page, squeeze page, which you just signed up and came in. And all these kind of things are recurring commissions to me, the person who has sent you to, or to you, the person you will send them to, if you follow my training, that is. So that is how money is earned. Now guys, there are several other ways I also know, okay, apart from this system. What I also do, and you can see that I have built a more huger list, okay, which is around 3,000. Now this is not for Uneasy Commissions, this is for my other businesses where I promote offers, ClickBank offers, I promote Max Bounty offers, and this is how then I make money. Okay, and this is how you can make money. You have to sell something, you have to offer something, either somebody who is paying you just for somebody to submit their email addresses. Okay, like there is an offer in Max Bounty which pays you $2.40 just for somebody submitting their email address. So that's how money is earned. And then there are commissions. So that's what I want to do for you guys. Okay, so guys, below this video, if you are not watching this on Facebook Ultimate Affiliate Mastery group, then there is a link to join the group. The group is free of charge. Okay, join the group. Now it's well and good if you go on Uneasy Commission and you want to go through Uneasy Commission and understand everything and build an income like me. Well and good. If you want to just remain a free member and get paid $1 per email submit the way I will teach you, well and good. It's upon you. I just warn you. Okay, it's just a warning. It's optional for you to become a VIP. But if you have money and you do not become a VIP, then if somebody upgrades, like the way I have not asked anybody to upgrade, one of you who joined me upgraded, and that way I earned commission. Similarly, somebody, you will be learning through me, my methods, and somebody comes in and without you asking them, they upgrade, you will lose your commission. So the best way is to upgrade. And then you have several income streams. I just want to take you through some of them. Let's see. For example, training day one. This is about joining their Facebook group. Let's see if there's any income thing here. I don't think there's any income there. Now day two. Now, for example, you see, click here to develop your millionaire mind. Okay, I believe this is a book. And when somebody clicks here, they buy this book or whatever it is that they are doing with my link. Okay, and that way I earn commission. So that's why I'm VIP, because I want to earn commissions this way. The other way, let's look at continue. Let me see. Yes, you can see. Create your GetResponse account. GetResponse account is something like this. This is a GetResponse account. It's an autoresponder. Okay, the way you send emails and all that kind of thing. So once somebody joins this, the autoresponder, because you will need this, okay, for you to make money online. There is no way you will do without a domain, without a hosting, without a page builder. There is no way. So you will need to create these accounts, and you will need to use them for you to make money. That way I earn commission. That way you will earn commission. Okay? And this is what I want to tell you. Don't worry about a lot of stuff. Join, become a VIP if you can. If you can't, then I will show you other ways of making money. I want you to join me on GetResponse. Okay? If you don't have a GetResponse account, click below. Get your GetResponse account. If you don't have a funnel builder, ClickFunnels is what I recommend. It costs $97 a month with a 14 days trial. If you don't have that much money, then I'm willing to also give you alternatives where you can join in, and I will build for you the funnel. Okay, I will build for you the squeeze page, and we can move on from there. So if you are interested and if you want to work with me and understand this, okay, we will be promoting Warrior Forum offers, we will be promoting JVZoo offers, ClickBank offers to this list so that we are making money. And this is how list building and making money works. Now guys, I've spent money. I spent $82 in the last 7 days and made $85. For example, if somebody had not been had not upgraded, I would have made $85. So this is what you want to do. You want to make back your money for the list building. So the list building becomes free of charge for you. And this is what I want to show you. Now, if you're skeptical, you don't want to use paid methods, you're not somebody who are interested in the paid methods, don't worry. We have unique, groundbreaking, very effective free methods which nobody is teaching, nobody is showing, and I will show you how to get laser targeted free members to join you. You can do both the way we do. We do free and paid differently, okay? So we use social media to create massive traffic, okay? And people join us every day without us going there, posting any posts, funny ones, like make money now, and those kind of things you have seen in the groups and you've seen many places if you've been online around for some time. I don't know, for some reason my flash play is not working, but that doesn't really matter. I don't want to show you any video. I hope you have understood, appreciated this video, and I hope you learn, okay? I hope you don't look for a more easier way than this, because there is none, okay? You need this way to earn money. This is the simplest and the easiest form of making money. Guys, I will see you in the trainings if you join me in my group, and I will be teaching you. And as I said, this is free. If you already have a GetResponse account, I will not make you get another GetResponse account just because I want an affiliate commission. I will not do this kind of things. I want to help you. Okay? So see you guys.